This is going to be a video tutorial on how to delete all of your conversations on Snapchat. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I got my phone open now and I am on the Snapchat app. To delete all of your conversations on Snapchat, first thing you want to do is tap on your profile icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then you will tap on the gear wheel in the upper right-hand corner. Then you will scroll all the way down toward the bottom to where you see the Account Actions section. And then right in here, Clear Conversations. You want to tap on that. And then you'll have to go through your conversations one by one and tap on the little X off to the right hand side. I'm going to do this first one here. Then it will ask me, are you sure you want to clear this conversation? You just tap on clear. Now I'm going to tap on the next X. You have to do them one at a time. It asks me again, are you sure you want to clear this conversation? I'm going to tap on clear. And that is how you delete all of your conversations on the Snapchat app. Thanks for watching.